Keep things simple. You need a dashcam and you want high-tech newest incarnation of dashcam. It can speak, has artificial intelligence, and it can drive your car so you can sleep during the drive. It also should support holographic 4D navigation holograms in front of the car. B. You want cheapest possible option, but you don't want too much sacrifices. Well, at least not too much of important things as video quality and overall functionality. If your answer is under A, then you should definitely skip Xiaomi 70 Mi dashcam. But if your answer is B, then we can speak further. Or better to say, you can continue watching this review. 70 Mi comes in small box, which consists everything you need to have DVR camera up and running. USB cable, cigarette lighter adapter and magnetic foil which is reusable. 70 Mi is completely made of plastic and it has only one button, microSD slot and micro USB port. Quite a simple design which can be appealing to some and true abomination to others. Personally, for my taste, I had one thing in my head. It is cheap and it looks good enough for that amount of money. Mounting procedure is breeze. You take out action camera, choose a spot where you want to place it and majority of job is done. Next thing is cable management. You can just place it in a way how it is easiest for you or you can try to hide it. Best you can. It is your call. When everything is set, Xiaomi 70 Mi will start working immediately when you start the car. As there is no screen, you will need to use app from your smartphone to preview footage or download it to the phone. Also, all settings for 70 Mi are done through app, but some basic controls can be done as voice commands. Record video.
Start recording event video. Recording finished.
Record without sound.
Sound recording was turned off.
Record with sound.
Sound recording was turned on.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
Closing hotspot. Hotspot was closed.
Turn on Wi-Fi.
Opening hotspot. Hotspot was opened.
The screen absence at times can be annoying, but Xiaomi countered this with voice commands, which works pretty good. Basically, if you really want screen on your DVR camera, then you should avoid 70 Mi. But if you are flexible, then there is no need to turn your head away. App is pretty good and it offers everything you need to use this DVR camera. Video footage is recorded in 1080p at 30 fps. Field of view is 130 degree. 2 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture will give you this kind of footage. Do you like it? Well, for me it is pretty good. I mean, it is not perfect, grainy footage look. It reminds me of those VHS filters, which are popular now. Yeah, I'm joking a bit, don't mind about that. Overall, footage during the day looks pretty good. 70 Mi do its job pretty well, and that is to record footage, and that footage needs to be clearly visible in every situation. Night video quality stays at same level. Same clean footage with easily visible license plates, and that is important factor. As I said, Xiaomi 70 Mi is ultra cheap DVR camera, which does job well. It has its disadvantages as no screen, and for some people it is just ugly piece of hardware. But if you don't mind about these two factors or you just don't agree with them, I personally think that for less than 40 bucks it is hard to find something like this in terms of video quality. Detailed specifications and best prices for Xiaomi 70 Mi can be found in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos from RMT Tech. Until next video, cheers!